Hi there everyone, welcome to yet again another Minecraft tutorial video here on the channel, and within this video I've got a command block tutorial video for you today. And this is a pretty cool little fun little challenge I had for myself, a little fun idea. We have a iron door right here which can be opened in a very special way. So in order to open this door, I have to do this. I have to go up to this llama and place a nether star inside of its chest. Then when I actually do that, you can see that the door actually opens and allows me to go through. However, if I take the nether star away, you can see that the door now closes. However, if I go to this second llama right here and try and put the nether star inside, you can see the door does not open at all. So this little command block system right here is only checking this llama only. So it's pretty dang cool to get this working, and you do learn quite a few nifty little things with this little system right here. We're using 2 command blocks to get this to work, and it's pretty dang cool. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you the tips and the secrets to get this working. So how do I make it so that this llama is the only one that matters out of the 2? So it's pretty straightforward, actually. I apply a tag to this llama. So there's essentially invisible information stored on this llama, which makes it special and has a label on it, if you like. And how I'm actually doing that is if you go right up to the llama that you want to target in actually opening the door, if you go right up to the llama, you can do the following commands. So /data modify and then entity @e and then type equals and then Minecraft :llama and then sort equals nearest and then limit equals 1. So that is going to pick the nearest llama to you, which happens to be the white llama right in front of me right here. And we are going to be editing the tags data. We're going to do set value, and then inside of here we are going to do the following. We're going to set it to llama door, like that. So we are setting a specific tag to this llama. So I've already done it, so I'm not going to run the command again, but that is the command to assign a tag to an entity or a llama in this case. So we are adding a llama door tag to this llama. So that is important. This llama does not have the tag, so the command block system will not care what this actually has inside of the chest or the inventory that's assigned to the llama. So in order to get this to work, we are spawning a redstone torch underneath this particular iron door to let it open. And there are 2 specific cases we need to actually look at. The first case is, does the llama not have the item inside? And the second case is, does it have the item? So these 2 command blocks basically do that. And we are using an execute command, and we are checking entity data of this llama in particular. We're using the tag, like I said just a moment ago, and if it detects the nether star inside of the inventory of the llama, it will then place the redstone torch underneath. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you the commands in a text editor because it's easier to show you in that way. But that is essentially how this is working, and you can do this with any item, obviously, and you can detect any sort of item. All right, everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and we've got 3 commands to show you. This first command is just the data modify command to add a tag to the llama that I did in this tutorial. These commands will be in the description of the video, so you can copy and paste it into your Minecraft and so on. So these 2 commands are the juicy ones. This is the command block magic that gets the llama door to work. So they are very, very similar to each other. Very, very, very similar to each other. Okay. And so the only difference between the two is that this one is execute unless, and this one is execute if. So this one activates if the entity data is not found. This is activated when the entity data is found. So that is what we're doing here. So we're doing /execute unless entity, and then we're doing @e as a selector, which means all entities. But we're using our special tag equals llama door. So that means it will only check that llama we just did right there. We are then checking data tags, NBT data tags, and this is where we're checking the inventory of the llama. So there's an items container assigned to the llama, and inside of here, we have put one item entity entry. So one item entry inside of here. So this actually is an ID and a count. So we've got ID and then Minecraft : never star. So that is the never star item ID. And then we've got count : 1. So this is the size of the stack. Now you can actually change this count to whatever you want. So if it needs to be 64 emeralds, you would then put Minecraft : emerald as the item ID and then the count as 64. So it's pretty easy to assign what you want. Now, if it does not find this entity data, it will then run this setblock command, and these three numbers right here are the block coordinates that are below the iron door. So we are setting it to air, so we are removing any redstone torch that may be there and basically cutting off any power to the door, and that will cause the door to be closed. So again, this activates if the entity data we're specifying here with the never star and so on is not found. Now this one is execute if entity, so this is if the data is found. Exactly the same data we're checking, and then run setblock with the same coordinates, but this time we're using redstone torch. So that is how it works, and I just thought this would be a fun little video to do to show you, and some of you may find this quite impressive or wizardry, I guess, but it's actually quite straightforward. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this command block tutorial right here. Hopefully this has helped you out and you found it interesting and you've learned something new. If you did, then a like, subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated, and make sure that you hit notification bell so stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my socials, they're on screen and in the description. And if you want to see any other tutorials on the channel, let me know in the comments down below and I may do it for a future video. But I hope you have a nice day, everyone. Have fun with command blocks. They can do some really insane things. Stay happy and healthy as always, and bye-bye.